Hi everybody, this is Vemje for Nukepedia, and welcome to Volume 7 of our video series, Useful Nukepedia Tools. Today's video is about the Victro Tool Suite version 2.0 by Victro Perez. This is the link where you can find the Victro tools on Nukepedia. First of all, I have to thank Victro Perez for creating this amazing suite of Nuke tools and for recording an in-depth video in which he goes into great detail and explains what you can do with his tools and how to use them. This is the link where you can watch Victor's in-depth video on Nukepedia's Vimeo channel. If you want to scrub to a particular tool, you can find a chapter index in the description of the video that tells you where to scrub to get to the tool you're looking for. This video will be slightly different to the previous UNT videos. Rather than focusing on a single tool, this time I will outline 3 tools from Victor's suite. I do have to mention that Nukepedia discourages arbitrary tool collections, as it makes it impossible for the community to find a given tool inside those collections via the search features or the upcoming new bridges search and filter functions. However, since Victor has put a lot of effort into the tools and the respective in-depth video, which has been very popular, this is a bit of an exception. The tools or gizmos from Victor's suite that I will be talking about in this video are the multi-labeler, the color rendition chart, and the Slate. Now, there are some other tools on Nukepedia, like the auto backdrop replacement or the super slate, that are similar to some of Victor's tools. The tools from Victor that I'll be talking about are just one way to do a particular task. There surely are many tools on Nukepedia that do similar things but are still useful in their own right. Before I start talking about Victor's tools, I just wanted to tell you that I will not go into great detail of how to use them. For a detailed review of Victor's tools, you can watch Victor's in-depth video. Okay, so let's start with the multi-labeler. The multi-labeler is my personal favorite because I love clean note trees that are easy to read, and this is exactly what this tool can help you to accomplish. It is a script organizer that lets you categorize your notes, backdrops, dot notes, and sticky notes with colors, labels, icons, and it gives you many options to create your own presets and much more. It's very helpful and important if you are working in a team to make it easier for everybody to read your script. The color rendition chart is a digital and mathematically correct representation of the X-Rite color checker that you can use to neutralize the colors in your plate. This chart, and now I mean the physical version of it that you can buy online, is also called the Macbeth chart, and it is a very essential tool to have on set as a post supervisor. The Slate is a customizable shot slate that lets you display important information over your shot like the shot name, the name of the project, the task, the name of the artist who worked on the specific shot, and much more. It also gives you an overview frame that provides you with the most important information of your shot. But as if all of that wasn't enough, Victor provided us with 4 more awesome scripts that you can either access over the upper menu where it says Victor, or by using the shortcuts he applied to these scripts. The first of these scripts lets you create a custom backdrop by selecting your notes and pressing Alt, Command, and B. It has all of the backdrop presets that we can find in the multi-labeler, and it also lets you assign a custom label. The second script generates a postage stamp node from your selected node, which can be very helpful if you need to put some instances of your read notes in your script. The third script can generate read notes from your write notes. And script number 4 can convert the gizmos in your note tree into groups, which is very important to make sure that the gizmos that you have used can also be used by any other Nuke artist who might not have your gizmos installed. I'm really enjoying to see an experienced artist like Victro Perez contributing so much to the Nuke user community. Therefore, I want to thank him and every other member of the Nuke and Nukepedia user community for sharing their knowledge. Alright, that's it for this episode. If you have any tool suggestions, just send an email to admin@nukepedia.com. Again, my name is Vemje. Thanks for watching, and goodbye everybody.